Hi guys, this is Yang. So next week we're gonna see some big announcement by DJI. So if you haven't seen the DJI.com website, now we know that the new product will be announced on 30th of October. And these are the time in your own time zone, so you can mark in your diary. So their slogan seems to be fly as you are. And in Chinese it actually says you can also fly. I mean, it's not really hard to guess, and all the leaks have been already out. So we're expecting Mavic Mini. There's some speculation it might be released as Aria. I'm not really sure, but for now, let's just call it Mavic Mini. So if you haven't been following me, I've already talked about the spec leaks, which aren't really changed at the moment in time. So please do check out this video where I actually compare all the specs of Mavic Mini against Spark as well as Mavic Air. And the price now seems pretty much confirmed. RMB 2699, US dollar will be 399, which is actually same as what has been speculated before. Considering the Spark combo price was USD 549, we expect something the same for the complete package. And also on Weibo, we've seen the picture of this new drone that's speculated to be only 245 grams, which is fantastic. I mean, that's the most important point about this drone, because it's tiny. You don't even need to get permits in a lot of places, which is a plus, because any drone that's less than such weight is considered less sort of dangerous. And they also compare it against a smartphone, and the size seems to be more or less the same. So recently I've been talking quite a lot about new releases of products that I actually don't own, and provided you with like the specs information. But this time with Mavic Mini, with all the leaks out, and hopefully the leaks are true, and I think it should be true. I mean, this is how the tech companies advertise these days, I feel. Sort of build up that suspense. So I promise you this time I'll definitely purchase Mavic Mini. I'm definitely not going to be the first one actually releasing videos about it, but I'll definitely buy the product myself, and I'll come back with some really honest and thorough review about Mavic Mini. So please do stay tuned, subscribe, and like this video, and see you!